Hey, so we're doing a ton of 3-2-1 buy downs, and I want to make sure that, anybody out there that is fuzzy on how it works, I want to just bring it to surface and make it super easy for everybody to understand. So essentially what we're doing is we are buying down a customer's interest rate for the first 1 year, the first 2 years, or the first 3 years, depending on how you want to use the program. So if your buyer has a $400,000 loan amount and the normal market rate is 6.5%, on the 3-2-1 buy down, it's going to be 3% lower the first year, 2% lower the second year, 1% lower the third year, and then after that, it goes to the market rent. This right here, this is the difference in savings monthly from what that market payment would have been. Now, there is no true fee for this program. The only cost of the program is what we're doing is we're collecting this amount for 12 months, this amount for 12 months, and this amount for 12 months. And we're putting it essentially into an escrow account of sorts. And we're using that money in that account to subsidize the payment from what it would have been right here. So in this case, it's $17,000. The seller has to pay this, and it can be rolled into the mortgage as long as it's rolled in the sales price and the property appraises and all that good stuff. So hypothetically, if rates go down and they refinance right here at year 2 and they've only used half of this amount that was kept for them, the balance is applied to the mortgage as a principal reduction. So they never ever lose this money. So I just want to show that there's literally no downside to using this program. You can't lose money on it, and it just helps your customers get off the fence and be able to enjoy these lower interest rates while they're waiting for rates to drop and refinance. So that's all I got.